Hello, I'm going to talk about calibrating the board really quickly. Now, calibration, what does that mean? Well, first of all, when you need to calibrate your board, everything is working okay. The only thing that's not quite right is whether or not your pen is aligned to your computer's cursor. So let me give you an example. Right here, you'll see we've got the computer's cursor, the little arrow, and I should be able to control that arrow with my active pen, but let's see what happens. If I touch the pen to the board, you see where the arrow is? It's nowhere near where I'm actually touching the board with my pen, and I want this cursor to be aligned with it. So that's all calibration is it's saying, hey board, here's my pen. Now to start a calibration, I can go to, I'm going to click on this little guy right here. It's a tiny white triangle. If you look, I'm going to bring the cursor down. I'm actually using my computer to control it right now. And I'm going to click on that tiny white triangle right there. And that's called Show Hidden Icons, and that opens up this window. And what I want to click on in that window is there's a number of little buttons, and one of them is a little white rectangle with the Promethean sign. That's the Active Manager. And when I click on that, another menu is going to pop down, and in there is going to be calibration. I'll have an option between a 5-point or a 25-point calibration. 5 points quicker, so I'll try that right now. And that'll make my screen turn white. It's going to say, please tap the cross with an orange circle around each cross. And I'm just going to tap the center of the cross with my pen. There's be one at each corner, and then a fifth one right there. The active board's going to restart. And when my computer screen pops up, we'll see if I'm calibrated. If where I touch the pen will be where my arrow is. And let's see if you can tell. Now I'm much more calibrated. If I want to click there, and that's calibration.